The concept of multi-timeframe analysis introduces the idea of hierarchy between trading signals among different timeframes. In other words, the technical signal in the 4-hour timeframe is stronger than this same signal in the 1-hour timeframe and all the lower timeframes below. Under this paradigm, a simple signal in the daily timeframe can sparkle a massive trend on the 5-minute, for example. That's why it is useful to pay attention to many timeframes to catch these unique opportunities. The term hierarchy implies a structure where one element is more important than another. That's exactly what it means for the trading signals generated by the many different techniques of our strategy. A good example of that is the application of support and resistance lines. If you find a meaningful support-resistance line on the 1-hour timeframe, for example, this level can turn out to be incredibly important in lower timeframes. The reason for that is that larger market structures are composed of larger groups of traders ready to act in the same level. For example, if we find a meaningful support line on the daily timeframe, we can expect it to be more powerful than a support line in the 5-minute timeframe. That's the case because the magnitude of price movements in the daily timeframe is a lot greater and there are much more traders keeping an eye on it. With that said, when price reaches a level like this in the daily timeframe and we happen to be looking at a low timeframe, we can expect a dramatic reaction under the right context. To sum up, the essential point behind hierarchy of signals between timeframes is that the higher the timeframe, the stronger the signal. The lower the timeframe, the higher the level of market detail. This hierarchy of timeframes displays a trade-off between signal power and market detail. When we increase signal power, we always decrease market detail and vice versa. It's important to point out that this idea works for any technique as well. In the next lecture, we are going to explore the principle of trade location.